What's up, guys? Squink here. We're watching another one from Code Blue Cam. Make sure you go and subscribe to him on YouTube. Today's video, how a man escaped deputies at 140 miles per hour before the surprise of his life. I've never seen this. Let's jump in.
On an afternoon in May 2024, Columbia County Sheriff's deputies were advised of a speeding motorcycle in Marcelon, Wisconsin. As the radio transmission concluded, a deputy who was positioned along a highway spotted the 22-year-old rider of the red motorcycle flying past at 90 miles per hour. As the deputy tried to catch up, he saw the motorcycle overtaking vehicles on the shoulder and occasionally in the opposite lane of traffic.
3325, there's a red motorcycle passing on the shoulder westbound, approximately 90 miles per hour, 33 Country Club. Still trying to catch up. Speeds right up.
Damn.
10-4, 3325.
At least people are paying attention.
Probably a half mile ahead.
You'd be surprised at how many people just are not paying attention. Like, they don't even look in their rear view.
Tag update received.
The pursuit was then called off due to safety concerns.
3325, I've lost visual.
Usually when you lose visual on the pursuit vehicle, the suspect vehicle, you call it off. No sense in everyone hauling balls to the wall all over town, trying to find someone where no one knows where he is.
The city at this point.
10-4, 3325.
I'll be 1040 continuing. I can't clear enough traffic to catch up.
10-4, 3325. What type of motorcycle?
It was a crotch rocket. He had a helmet on. I don't recall the color, and I believe a leather jacket. Not sure on color.
3301, it just passed me at 3301 truck.
Shortly after, another deputy reported that the motorcycle had passed by the law enforcement center, with several city officers also confirming they had seen it.
Still continuing, high rate of speed, east of. I will not pursue. Advise the return, please.
Additionally, the Columbia County Sheriff stated that the motorcycle had collided with his unmarked squad car, causing damage.
1050 to my squad here parked downtown. It is turning westbound on 16. 3.
So now the risk to the public outweighs the risk to the public if they were to pursue. Since this guy's hitting vehicles with his crotch rocket, it's best to pursue and stop him from hitting more vehicles.
3-1, William Charles returns on a red Suzuki.
3325, that'll be the same description of a red Suzuki.
3300 edition. I was parked downtown with no lights on. He came by me. He did run into my squad with damage.
As he attempted to relocate the bike, he soon observed it in a neighborhood. The rider continued to flee erratically at a high rate.
So once you
similar to that description, West Cook.
once you get into residential neighborhoods, things get really tight. You can't corner as well in a big patrol vehicle. And there's crosswalks, people walking their dogs and whatnot, kids around. Anyway.
Heading back inbound into the city. I believe it's the same rider. I'm trying to catch up. Correction, eastbound. He's going from Pierce, so he's actually West Cook and Caston.
There he is.
Copy, eastbound back into the city, Cook and Caston.
3325, I'm behind him. It's okay to stop on my foot.
Pursuits are fine.
3325.
They get your adrenaline going big time. Yeah, this is sketchy because this is a main road, you can tell. Lots of traffic. What time is it? 2 p.m.?
Due to the deputy's concerns about the high speeds and heavy traffic, he decided to discontinue the pursuit.
3325.
So this dude's playing it real smart. He's not taking any chances. He doesn't want to, run into someone or have the motorcycle run into someone while in the pursuit, because if that were to happen, it comes back on the department.
1080, I'm going to discontinue. Last southbound, Wisconsin.
It's easy to get lost in the adrenaline and it's like a cat-mouse mentality, prey versus predator mentality, and it's easy to disregard the traffic situations in your environment because you're so focused on this one person. So props to him.
He's a well ways ahead of me.
3325 25, copy 1080, discontinuing.
Since they found the man's name through his license plates, they attempted to visit the address linked to the registered bike. However, they discovered he had recently moved, prompting the need for further investigation. The sheriff's office made a Facebook post about the individual, giving him
Social
the
media comes in
opportunity to
super
reach
handy
out and provide
for
an
situations like
explanation
this.
for his behavior. During that, it was learned another deputy had coincidentally encountered the man earlier that same day during a traffic stop, where he mentioned purchasing a new home nearby. Using realtor websites, a deputy located 3 recently sold homes in the area. The following day, the deputy visited one of the 3 addresses and spoke with a neighbor. The neighbor informed them that a young man had moved in within the past few days and that he owned a black and
There
red
he
sport
is.
bike. The deputy asked the neighbor to call back upon seeing the man return to his residence. Later, the neighbor did call back, reporting that the man had just returned home and had seen the motorcycle. In response, other deputies
Can't
were
wait.
notified and decided to pay a visit to his residence.
Hell yeah, let's do it.
As they arrived, deputies noticed the motorcycle parked and covered in the garage.
Smart, but not smart enough. He's shitting bricks right now. So's the dog. Yeah, he knows who's knocking.
After several minutes of knocking with no response, the sergeant decided to give the door a try.
Pretty sure he's home.
Alright, they gotta be careful. The only way they can lawfully enter this home is if they were if he fleed them in real time. It's called hot pursuit. And if he runs into this house while they're pursuing him actively, or a search warrant, which I don't think they have.
There he is.
That's a big boy.
Hello?
Hi there, how are you?
You good? How about you?
Good. Are you?
Yeah.
Okay. We need to talk, okay?
Okay. No.
So, you know why we're here?
Yep.
Okay. So, why would we be here?
Probably because of my motorcycle.
Okay. You have an ID with you? You don't need to go in and get it, just... Okay. Before you go reaching in the car, man, you got any weapons in there or anything? Okay. So what about the motorcycle?
Yesterday.
Okay. What happened yesterday? I wasn't working, so...
Going 100.
Going 100?
There you go. Admission right there.
Why'd you do that?
I had a really bad day, and I wanted to blow off some steam, and I just wasn't f***ing paying attention to what my speed was. And then I saw one, and then I just...
Saw one what?
Cop car, and then I just kept going. Because I
appreciate the honesty.
Dude, I couldn't f***ing lose my license. I was freaking the f*** out.
It's a speeding ticket, though.
Oh, but like the thing is, I just bought this house, and I have a job, and that was all that was going through my mind. I was like, dude, I can't lose my license. I just bought this house, and yeah, so you know,
It wasn't.
if this is
Just
what's-
relax, man. Just talk to me. It was a speeding ticket. So I mean, when the cop turned around
I honestly thought about just crashing my bike and killing myself. I'm not gonna lie.
over a speeding ticket,
Yes, dude.
It's not worth it. it's a speeding ticket.
My experience with cops has been awful, and I don't know, my life was just going good, so I was like, I either end it right now as it's going good, or like I try and get away, and that's what I did.
Okay.
So I'm sorry.
You saw his license sirens. I mean, it's one of those.
I mean,
where
I didn't see the first guys, but the second dude, yeah.
Okay. So you took off because you didn't want to lose your license.
Yeah.
How fast did you get up to?
140.
Okay.
Damn.
In town?
Out of town.
Out of town. Sounds like you were going pretty fast in the city too.
Yeah.
Blew some red lights.
One of them, yeah.
Sounds like you got in a crash too.
Yeah, I lost a mirror.
How bad's the bike damaged?
Oh, I forgot about that.
Just this.
That's it?
That's it.
Didn't hurt yourself?
Nope.
So he left
When
the
he
scene of
learned
an
who he had
accident.
crashed into, he realized the state of his shit was even deeper.
Who'd you crash into?
Some guy in a black, SUV just tried to pin me against another car.
You know who you crashed into?
I have no idea.
The actual sheriff himself.
Oh.
Okay.
Not good, brother.
Kind of dangerous.
Not
You know it's
good.
not okay to take off from the police, right?
I know.
All right. You know that when the lights come on, you have to stop? When the sirens
There
come on, you
is-
definitely need to stop, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you heard the lights and sirens, you just didn't want to lose your license?
Yeah, I was freaking out, dude.
Okay.
It was on my adrenaline rush. Yeah.
Why didn't
So depending on if they have an arrest warrant for him, he might not go to jail today. He might just get a citation in lieu of arrest with a court date.
you just call us afterwards and say I made a mistake?
I don't know. I was freaking out.
It's all over Facebook now.
Yeah.
They kind of tried to give you an opportunity to just kind of make it right. All right, so you know that you can't flee. You know that's fleeing and eluding, right?
I
So if fleeing is a felony, he will go to jail.
didn't think about anything yesterday.
Okay. You know that if you get in a crash, you're required to stop. You can't just keep going. Okay. You do know that.
I honestly didn't think I did too much, to be honest. At that
Doesn't
point.
matter if
I
you're
know,
involved in a crash,
No,
right?
yeah.
You hit a car.
Yeah.
You're required to stop and report that. You're required to stop for the red and blue lights and siren.
Yeah,
Can't run.
I have no excuses. I truly.
I'm going to guess flight to avoid arrest, willful reckless driving, maybe reckless driving, probably just willful, obstruction, let's just find out.
Nothing. But
Can't
I
run
can
stop
say-
signs, stoplights, and all that stuff, okay?
No, I was just. I bought a lawnmower to mow the lawn because I had a house party yesterday, and
He had a good day
it
yesterday.
Didn't fucking start, and I was cranking it like 45 times, and I was fucking pissed off. And my mom was like, "Oh, you're gonna go for a motorcycle ride, cool down?" And I don't know why the fuck I decided to, but yeah, there's that.
What all do you have on you right now?
Nothing.
Okay. All right.
They're taking.
All right, man. You are under arrest, okay? Felony, fleeing, eluding, and
Okay.
hit and run. Just bring your hand back. There you go. Let your hands go. Let your hands go. Thank you. You want your phone?
Grab it in there.
Is your phone in here?
It's on the.
Oh, on the.
Is it alright if I grab it?
Yeah,
I'm just gonna stay with you.
People
I
just get so
appreciate
amped up in the moment, and they
Just starting
think
my
that
day.
running
I do appreciate you coming to
is
the
the
door and
answer.
talking to me, okay?
Yeah, no.
and it's never the answer.
Sometimes we just got things we gotta get taken care of, right?
Yeah. Am I staying overnight?
You'll be staying until you see a judge, bud. You got at least one felony, if not two, okay?
I'm gonna reach over you, so lean back as best as you can. I know it's hard
Some
with
cop
the
cars
bus,
have a
okay?
full page in the back, some have this quarter page.
Was the one that was chased yesterday? He's asking if you would continue to cooperate a little bit. Can we get your helmet and your leathers? Where's it at?
I guess for evidence.
Are these the right shoes?
Yeah, do I have to lose the shoes?
Huh?
You guys have to take the shoes?
Yeah.
Hey, Garrett?
Yep.
Did you see the Facebook post?
No, I don't really use Facebook.
Alright, did you know
He
about
uses
it?
X.
No.
I think it was on the sheriff's page and it was on the some news page, local Columbia County scanner or something. Basically it was asking for cooperation that you just call us and reach out and talk to us about the incident.
He's like, okay. Wish I'd done that.
Let's stand right over here for me, man. When facing the
Sounds
wall.
like the booking sheet and paperwork should be here for him already.
As a result, the 22-year-old male was charged with 2 counts of felony vehicle, fleeing, eluding an officer, and misdemeanor hit and run. On top of that, He racked up over $2,500 in traffic citations for every single wrong move he made during the pursuit. He was ultimately released a few days later on a $500 cash bond.
Damn.
Want a deeper...
Alright, don't run from the cops. Subscribe to Code Blue Cam on YouTube. Follow me on YouTube as well. Give this video a like. And all the other nonsense. Hope you have a good day. Trying to end the recording. See ya.